Hello, boys and girls. I'm so excited to be back with you today to talk about another body system. I know yesterday we talked about our circulatory system on how our blood circulates all throughout your body. And today we're going to talk about another system. Now, yesterday I asked you to bring a very important thing with you. Your brain. We're going to talk about your control center and your nervous system. Now, what does nervous mean? Sometimes you might hear about being nervous maybe before a test or doing something new. But today, boys and girls, we're going to talk about your nerves inside your body, which connect together to your control center, which is your brain. So let's get ready to talk to Dr. Wellbody. Hi, students. As your teacher reads to you today, you are listening with your ears. You are seeing a picture of me, Dr. Wellbody, with your eyes, and I'm sure your face is smiling. But your ears and eyes could not work if it were not for your big, beautiful brain. Your mouth and your face muscles could not make that beautiful smile without your big, beautiful brain. And without your brain working, you could not understand or learn. In fact, your brain controls everything your body does. Your thoughts, your movements, your memory, and your 5 senses. Your brain also controls your moods or how we're feeling that day. Whether you feel happy, sad, or angry, for example. Those are all determined by your big, beautiful brain. Your brain looks like this. Your brain is inside of your skull. Remember, those were those hard bones that went all the way around your brain to protect it. That skull protects your brain, soft tissue. Your brain looks like this. It is wrinkly and wet. Your brain is not very big. It could be held in 2 hands. So put your 2 hands together. That's the size of your brain. It weighs about 3 pounds or as much as a really heavy book. Your brain tells your muscles what to do and how to move. Those messages travel lightning speed back and forth from your brain to the other parts of your body by moving up and down your spinal cord with that lightning speed. Attached to your spinal cord are thin fibers called nerves. Your nerves go to every part of your body. Your brain and your spine and your nerves make up your nervous system. Let's pretend that you are playing soccer. One of your teammates takes control of the ball from the other team and kicks the ball toward you. When you see the ball flying in your direction, your brain sends a message down your spinal cord to your nerves. Your nerves send a message to your muscles in less than a second to help you move and kick the ball for a goal. Your brain is made up of as many as 1 billion cells. The cells in your brain send millions of messages every single second to each other and to the rest of your body. The cells send messages back and forth through branches that connect one cell to another. Different parts of your body receive the messages. Your brain sends messages even when you're asleep to help you breathe and to help you dream. That brain is busy. Your brain gets messages about the world from your 5 senses through organs called sense receptors. Here are those 5 senses. Our eyes are to see, ears to hear, our skin is for touch, our mouth and tongue taste, and nose to smell. When you watch a cloud changing shape in the sky, or hear a fire truck zooming by, lick an ice cream cone, pet a soft kitty's fur, or smell cookies baking, your senses and brain are working together. There are 3 parts of your brain. They are the cerebellum, cerebrum, and the brainstem. Each part has a different job to do. The top part of your brain is the biggest part of your brain. It controls the things like seeing, hearing, thinking, speaking, remembering, and moving. This middle part, your cerebellum, at the back of your head, controls your balance and coordination. Let's stand up and try to balance on one foot without holding on to anything. I'll wait. Can you do this for a long time? Your brain is helping you. It helps you move different muscles together in coordination and to do things like catch a baseball, dance, or to write. Your brain stem connects your brain to your spinal cord. It controls things your body does without having to think about it, like breathing and beating of your heart. Because you don't make your heart beat, do you? Nope, your brain and your brain stem takes care of that for you. Now, aren't you so glad that that very important organ is in your head? That very important brain? Absolutely. Here's a rhyme about it that we can all learn. I'll read it quick and then we'll do it together. Without a brain, where would I be? I could not move or think or see, or write my name or count to 3. In fact, I would just not be me without my trusty brain in sun or wind or rain. I'm glad I have a brain. Let's say that together. Without a brain, where would I be? I could not move or think or see, or write my name or count to 3. In fact, I just would not be me without my trusty brain in sun or wind or rain. I'm glad I have my brain. The next time we meet, we're going to talk about some icky things. They're everywhere around us, and they can make us really sick. They're called harmful germs, but we'll also learn about some very smart, famous germ fighters who figured out ways to zap those nasty germs. Tune in next time to find out how these germ-blasting heroes have made life safer for you and me. Have a good day.